Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe. Hitting on my ding bell will support you back as always. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today we are doing a tutorial, and yeah, it's going to be on lashes. These, you guys know, these are like my favorite lashes. These are the Samantha lashes by HUDA Beauty, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I apply my lashes. Now, we all know I am not the best lash applicator. No, I'm not. I'm going to show this little requested video, so I'm going to show you guys basically how I was able to get my lashes to look like these. So that's what we're doing. If you guys want to see it, you know the drill. Keep on watching and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is going to be a tutorial on how I put on my lashes. And I already have mine cut down to size, but these are what the originals look like. I do have to cut my lashes. Every time I get a pair of lashes, I do have to cut them. So with these, basically you guys know you cut from the outside in, and it's better to cut off little and have to cut off extra than to cut off too much and ruin the lash. So yeah, I've learned that the hard way. For so long I couldn't wear lashes because of this reason, and so an allergy to latex, I believe. So for me, the House of Lashes lash glue is the only glue that I have. That and the Tarte lash glue are the only two lash glues that I know that I've been able to use. I can't use the Duo. I can't use the Ardell. I've tried so many different ones and they've all failed me. So I've actually found one that I really love and is amazing. I have worn these, and I did wash them a little, but not because I did want to do this video. So I want to show you guys. I take a makeup wipe and I take the lash and I put it in the makeup wipe, and I just kind of push the lash back and forth like this. That gets all the excess mascara off, it gets all the excess glue off, and it just helps with the lash application. It helps save your lashes. It's just it makes your lashes last so much longer if you do. Be careful, because if you pull too hard, you will pull the lash apart. Done that. First thing you want to do is test the lash and see if it's too long, see if it's too short, and to me that's pretty perfect because I have pre-cut these. So like I said, lash glue is super important, and this is what the House of Lashes lash glue looks like, and it does have this pearlescent tint to it, but either way it doesn't matter because that pearlescent tint does dry down and you will not see it. Now, if you're going to use tweezers, make sure your tweezers are nice and clean on the edges, because that will stick to your lashes. I have noticed that. That will stick to your lashes. So I always go in and clean my lashes my tweezers really well, or your lash applicator. I got a lash applicator out as well just to show you guys. I got this one. Just kind of make sure there's nothing on the edges of it, because it will cause you to fudge up and mess up your lash when you go to apply it. So for me, I always flip my tweezer as to whatever angle the lash is going to be. I see some fuzzies on there that I don't like. And I put it right in the middle. And then I take my glue, and most glues are going to have this type of applicator on it with like a little paintbrush. So I go ahead and start applying my glue here. And with this House of Lashes lash glue, it is going to actually stay on your eye all day. You don't have to worry about an end coming up, but I do try to put a little heavier on the edges, on the ends, because that's where lashes tend to move around. You can see the glue on the lash. It looks like a lot, but I promise you it's not. Right. Make sure there's no stray hairs or anything that will stick in your eye. So I'm going to come in as close as I can to you guys and show you guys how I apply my lash. So wherever my tweezer is, I usually try to line that up with my iris of my eye. And I put it there. And then I will come on the inside usually first. Push in, and then I will come on the outside and push in. Like so. And then I will take my fingertips and kind of squish them together. So that one is just going to hang out for a little bit while I put this one on, which was stuck to my hand. I didn't even know it. And with this one, I need to be really careful because for some reason I always mess up this side, and I shouldn't because I'm left-handed, but I do. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try to line my iris up with the tweezer. Place the lash there. Come with the inside, push that in, and then come with the outside and push that in. And then for me, it's just easier. I always just come in and push it in with my fingertips, like push them together. That glue will dry clear, so you will not see that. You can see this one's already dry, and you cannot see any glue or anything. If you have a wing liner going, then you may have to go back over your liner after you apply the lashes. I know my friend Sherry, she does. Every time she applies them, she goes back over her wing liner. But I didn't put a wing liner on today just because I didn't want to, get too much, going on at one time. That's for another video. I'm just going to kind of press the lashes in. So I'm going to take some roller lash, and I'm going to start on this side. This side, for some reason, this side looks a little bit more full there. So I'm not going to blend as much, but I'm going to blend my lashes together. This is just to blend your lashes with the false lashes. Yeah, these are beautiful lashes. These Samantha lashes, I tell you what, they are some gorgeous lashes. If you guys got these in the Allure box, if you don't have them, you should get them. They're super easy to apply. They're super easy to fix if you mess up. Like if I really wanted to, I could peel this off and I could reapply it, and it would not hurt the lash one bit, and it would be fine. It would apply fine. Just the biggest thing for me with lashes is the lash glue that you use, and make sure that the band of the lash, because I don't really talk about this, but the band of the lash, like you can see that this lash clearly has a black band, and it's super like it's not clear, and it's very defined. So for beginners, when you're doing lashes, to me it makes it easier because it gives it something more to hold on to as far as the grip for the glue. So I have this Magify lash. It's like a collection of lashes. It is a whole bunch of them, and I have not used any of these yet. I haven't tried them yet, but they are gorgeous. But these lash bands are probably going to be a little harder to work with because they are super thick. And like cutting the tips off of these, like I would cut the tips off of them. Some of them are like major like drag lashes, like these and these. Oh man. But some of them aren't. They're not all like that. This one here. But the other ones, oh man, this pair right here is gorgeous. These have got, it's like multi-layers of them, and you can see them. They're just beautiful. So link for these down below. I believe you can get, I believe these came on Amazon. I got these on Amazon, and they were less than $10 for all of them. And there are, how many pairs? There's 7 or 8 pair in here, and these are amazing. So yes, I will leave the link for those down below. I'll also leave the link for the House of Lashes lash glue if you guys want to get that. Makes your lashes stay, and it makes the biggest difference in your lash application. So I think this is not too much more, or if not less than the Tarte glue, the Tarte eyelash glue. But either way, I've said enough, and I hope I helped you guys. If I helped you guys, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring any bell, and I will support you back as always. I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye.